Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. Conversation, getting to know each other. Hello. What's your name?
My name's Marani. And you?
I'm David. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm not bad. Where are you from?
I'm from Takeo Province. And you?
I'm from Phnom Penh City. How old are you?
I'm 18 years old. And you?
I'm 17 years old. Are you married?
No, I'm not married. I'm single. How about you?
I'm single too. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I've 2 sisters and 3 brothers. And you?
I've 3 brothers and no sister. Where do you study? What major?
I study accounting at Asia University. How about you?
I study law at Royal University of Law and Economics. What do you want to be in your future? Why?
I want to be an accountant in my future because it's a good job. I like working with money, I like working in office, and I earn some money also. And you?
I want to be a lawyer in my future because it's a good job. I like it. I want to help people with their problems and I can earn some also. Why do you study English?
I study English because it's an international language. I can communicate with other people around the world and it's easy to find a good job.
Nice to talk with you, but it's time to go now. Bye.
Me too.
Conversation, everyday activities. Hi, Cheney. How are you today?
Hi, Bora. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. May I ask you some questions?
Why not?
What time do you get up?
I get up at 5 o'clock.
What do you do after you get up?
After I get up, I do some exercises, clean my house, cook breakfast, and I have a shower.
What time do you have breakfast and go to school?
I have breakfast at 6:30 and I go to school at 7 o'clock.
What time do you leave school and have lunch?
I leave school at 11 o'clock and I have lunch at 11:30.
What do you have for lunch?
I have rice, fish soup, and pork.
What do you do after lunch?
Actually, I relax for 30 minutes.
What time do you have dinner and go to bed?
I have dinner at 7 o'clock and I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
What do you do after school?
After school I do homework, read books, listen to music and watch TV.
What do you like doing in your free time?
In my free time I like playing sport, listening to music, watching TV and reading books.
Nice to talk with you, but it's time to go now. Bye and see you when you see me.
Me too.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you!